Hello everybody, welcome to the Infinite Cup. My name is Robert and this is going to be the van tour update video. It's been a while since we've talked about the van life. I'm here in beautiful Bishop right here in Mammoth and I am camping, loving life. We're at the hot springs all day today. I figured, you know what, why not catch up and talk about the upgrades in the van. Let's go in and check it out. Alright, first thing, if you want to check out my first video that I made in Alaska about, a year ago, my original van tour, just to kind of give you a before and after, click right here, check out that video, it is great. So, this has been a, 2-year in the making process right here. This beautiful van has taken me months, maybe 6 months total of just solid construction in the beginning, and now it's just been slowly upgrading everything. So, it's getting more and more cozy in here. It's getting comfortable every single day. I just do little upgrades. The biggest thing is this layout. Check it out. Most people in the van life have their bed right in the back, right? And I chose to go the whole route, like it's what I call the hallway effect. Check this out. Right here inside this cozy space. It's all about getting the most space out of such a tiny area, right? So this is what I call a micro house, right? I think the tiny house movement is really fun. Well, this is called micro living, all right? My usual routine is, I'm here editing videos, traveling, we're soaking in hot springs, we're climbing, we're going on epic adventures, so you want to be comfortable. You want to have all the amenities. I have all my spring water under here. Then, excuse the dirty dishes, this is a live video. And you know what? There's nothing like just being able to sit right here, couch style, in the van, right? So it took me a while to come up with this design so I can really make the most out of this space. And I designed it so you can be right here and do everything that you need to do, right? So, check it out. All of the electricity needs are right here. Spices, cookware, all the dry goods here. Right above the library is my 2,000 watt solar inverter. And here's the solar charge controller up top. So all my electric needs, all my plug-in needs are right here. So you can literally sit down, be comfortable, cook a meal, read a book, relax, edit videos, everything I need to do in a nice cozy space. I was really going for a log cabin on wheels, and I think I really nailed it. So let me just, I get a lot of questions about the bed, so let me show you guys the bed and the magic behind it, right? It's really easy. It just takes a few minutes at night, and this is how it goes. Voila! So nice. Room for two. See? That's the good shot. Yeah. Alright, so as you can tell, it's pretty cozy. It's an awesome space.
The best part of this too is the view out the door. So if we chill with both the doors open, so nice.
Yeah, got a little book to read. You can hang out. We do a lot of movie time. It is really nice. I designed everything so you can just reach it from the back. So if you really wanted to, you could just stand right here and you have power for the VitaMix.
The cool part is we literally stand right here and you can cook, or I'll stand right here and use the blender too, just out the back side of the van. So it's so convenient. It's right at cooking height. So that's ideal.
It's ideal. All the power needs are right here above the library. All the solar wires are hidden perfectly right here, harnessing the power of the sun. Doesn't get any better than that.
Okay, so the coolest part of the van, I think, are like the details of everything. So this little area is so nice because we have this on-off switch, and it's like perfect for charging both of our phones. And we put the off switch in because it used to not have a switch, and then it had this blue light that was on all night, and that was really annoying when you're trying to sleep. So switch is genius. And then right down here we have like all of our water. So this is where all of the gray water is. If you just want to show this. And then we made these like cute little curtains so you didn't just see that out of pants that I got from Thailand. So it's like a nice little added feature. You have to add little things to it that are going to make it feel homey.
Yes.
We got this really cool tapestry up here from the gem show. And then we got this cool tapestry thing right here in Thailand. And that was a one of a kind that somebody had made for them that they gave to us. So that was really unique.
Yes.
And then like these knots in the wood that we have from Alaska. These are so pretty. So these are like from actual trees.
Yeah, it's just those little touches really make it nice and homey. The cooktop and everything, all the things that I use, I'm going to put links in the description below, so all you have to do is click on that. If you know, having a relationship and sharing a small space, you know, is I would say challenging, and this is where all of our clothes are. But one thing that just had to happen, right? Let's check this out. Ready? The storage up top, because somebody has more, let's just say more pairs of shoes than I do, okay? And other than that, you pretty much have everything you need right here. We got his and hers up top. All the little shelves really make a difference. So do your best to make it feel homey, and you guys are gonna love this. Whether you're just into van life, you're just getting into it, I highly recommend that you get that Ford Econoline. The cargo vans will not let you down. This thing has been on the road now for over 3 years, not a single problem. She is my baby. So get out there, guys, enjoy nature. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll check you later. Blessings.